welcome back to my another video. This is my second video that I'm uploading on YouTube. So in this video, we are going to discuss about what exactly we are going to learn with this, with this channel. So Technetics IT Services mostly working in, IT domain where we are serving for data science only. Here we cover all the concepts of, of the ETL concepts. After that, we are going to cover, data engineering concept. Then we are going to cover data analytical concept. Then we are going to look forward for the BI development. Okay, and after BI development, we are going to looking for, machine learning and artificial intelligence. So let's talk about them in quite introductory matters. So the first one is ETL stuff. So we are in this particular module. The name called ETL suggests itself: extract, transform, and load. So here we are going to learn about how we can scrap the data from the various platforms with the real-time, with the real-time projects. In this particular, we are going to understand that how ETL process work, how it is, important for current companies in the different domains. Okay. After that, we are also going to look at how ETL is implemented on real-time scenarios. That is the first thing. After that, we are going to look forward for data engineering roles, like after extracting the data, how we can convert that unstructured format data into the structured format. This is we are going to learn, how to transform any kind of data into the we can make it visible for the peoples who are started as a data engineer. How we can transform that data. With that, we are going to learn about how databases are exactly formed, how ER diagram used in the real-time cases. Also, we are going to learn about one database that is called SQL. Okay, how we can manage the data on SQL servers and all. We are going to learn into that module. The next module is about data analytics. After having a data in the tabular format, the next step we are going to do is the data analytics. Okay. So here there is a multiple pillars that we need to take care of, like a univariate analysis, bivariate analysis, and multivariate analysis. So here also we are going to learn the end-to-end process of data analytics. Now, like how we can start, like from where we can start. Like let's say there is a data pre-processing stuff, data overview stuff that we need to do before performing the analytics. How we can make that data easy for analytics again. On the perspectives of the human who is doing that analytics. After that, how analytics works, like univariate, bivariate, and multivariate, based on the different scenarios, like how it works for the numerical variable, how it works for categorical variables and all. This is the stuff we are going to learn into this, and after that also we are going to learn how to summarize the analysis. The most important and very crucial role that we need to understand is to summarize that analysis, okay, based on the R requirement, based on the KTs, based on the KRs. After that, we are going to look forward for for the BI development stuff. Like business intelligence is very important stuff in nowadays. If you are working in the marketing, if you are working in the any kind of process department, so you need to understand the importance of dashboards and to understand how exactly your processes looks like. So to making that readable, we utilize some BI tools like Power BI and Tableau. Here in our channel as well, we are going to cover both the one. Maybe there is a different faculty who is going to take care of this subject, but this is something we are going to learn into it. So here, after this particular stuff, we are going to look forward for the machine learning. Okay, like how machine learning works in real-time scenarios. Today, everywhere in the market we heard about artificial intelligence, very booming stuff in 21st century, I guess. But how that revolution come in the picture? So the first step is came here is statistics. After statistics, we can consider the machine learning stuff. Then we are going to understand how machine learning algorithms are exactly behave on the different kind of data. If we know what we need to predict, how machine learning work in that particular domain. If we don't know what to predict, then how machine learning will help us to understand what exactly needs to be there. So this is something we are going to learn into it, how to define the model, how mathematical expressions are converted into the machine learning algorithm. That also, these are very interesting stories that we are going to look forward. After that, we are going to look for deep learning. Now, let me tell you one very generic thing that will happen nowadays. If you have a tabular data, you need to look forward for machine learning. If you have a pictorial data, if you want to play with the pictures or the pixels, you go for a deep learning. So here also we are going to learn about the deep learning concepts, how neural network forms, how it exactly behaves on the different patterns. This is something we are going to learn. After that, we are going to cover the NLP. As I mentioned, if you want to work with the textual data, okay, in this case, if there is a multiple kind of text, is there, and if you want to play with it, okay, like how recommended, like how chat GPT nowadays working, now how it is giving you the text outputs in the text format. So there is in the back end somewhere there is an NLP, natural language, very high level, high skilled model is there who are giving you this output. So from for the starting purpose, you need to understand how NLP works. So that is also we are going to cover into it. After summarizing these all learnings, we are going to look forward for LLM. Very booming again. Okay, the large language model. So we are going to learn the construction of large language model into this particular, through this channel. We are going to learn about it. Okay, I personally felt this, whole journey is going to be a very very great journey for us to learn the new technology in the new pattern, because in this particular journey we are able to see how exactly data was generated and how it is ended, like how raw data is converted into the meaningful insights, and how those meaningful insights are going to be a predefined one for nowadays, like a chat GPT and like a bar and all stuff. So this is something we are going to learn. Okay, that's all about that. That's all about today. Thank you.